Hello, dear friends. Today we will talk about your unit number three, that is source story. In unit number three, we are going to learn three topics mainly. The first one is short story. Second one is biography and autobiography. In today's lecture, we will see how short stories function. What are the what we call the features of short story? How the short story is originated and how the growth is occurred one by one repeatedly in the short story. Let us see. We can define the short story as, first of all, you should know what is the short story mainly. See, short piece of fiction. What is meant by fiction? One which is imaginary, one which is in a story form can be called fiction, which is written in imaginary note, and actually novel is also a fiction. But what is the difference between novel and short story? As the name is there, that is short, which is story. A story which is short, that is the meaning it itself in the novel. That is, sorry, the meaning is itself in the name, that is short story. The next feature we can call of short story is it concentrate on a single incident. Let me clear this single incident. In one short story, there is one incident, one event, which will be occurred once. Let me highlight this point in Marathi or Hindi for you. शॉर्ट स्टोरी में जो इंसिडेंट है वो सिंगल ही रहेगा, सिंगल इंसिडेंट सिंगल इवेंट पर फोकस करेगी शॉर्ट स्टोरी. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट a single character or sometime very few characters. So in short story there will be short story will have a single character, single hero we can call, or very few characters which can be counted on a finger. Means two, three, four, not more than that. That can be defined as short story. The next thing in a short story is uh, the creation of single effect or impression. In short story there will be one effect, one creation, one impression we can call. शॉर्ट स्टोरी में सिर्फ एक इफेक्ट को लेकर शॉर्ट स्टोरी चलेगी, एक इंप्रेशन को शॉर्ट स्टोरी चलेगी. मीन्स एट द एंड ऑफ द शॉर्ट स्टोरी देयर विल बी वन इफेक्ट ऑन reader's mind we can call, that has to be incorporated, that has to be keep in mind. Let us go to the next slide. Okay, let us focus on again. uh, can be read in one sitting. शॉर्ट स्टोरी कैन बी रीड इन ओनली वन सिटिंग. एक बार बैठे आप तो एक बार में वो पढ़ के होनी चाहिए. मीन्स इट विल बी नॉट मोर देन 5 to 6 pages. You can read at in your one sitting. So 5 to 10 minutes are enough to read one short story, and should be short as the name given. Widely read in literary form. Actually, as the student of literature, you know the genres of the literature. We have short story, we have novel, we have drama, we have what you call the um, criticism, and so many books are there. So short story is one which is read all over the world. Next thing is that 500 to 15,000 words, that is the length. Means शॉर्ट स्टोरी में जो वर्ड्स रहेंगे वो रहेंगे 500 से लेकर 15,000 तक. 500 ते 15,000 पर्यंत वर्ड्स राहू शकतात. दॅट शुड बी लेंथ इन द शॉर्ट स्टोरी. दॅट हॅज टू बी kept in your mind. It has a beginning, middle and end. Actually in every story there is such type of things are occurred: beginning, middle and end. तो शुरुआत रहेगी इसकी, मिडल रहेगा और एंड यानी कि आखिरी. आखिरी पड़ाव रहेगा. That has to be kept in mind. These are can be called the features of short story, the characteristics of short story. We will see in detail characteristics of short story in our next lecture, but these are some of the summarized characteristics which are given for you. Let us see. Okay, so origin and growth. The first thing which you should know what is meant by origin is that origin का मतलब है उगम, जहां से चीज की शुरुआत हुई. वॉट एवर द थिंग इज दैट. ग्रोथ मीन डेव्हलपमेंट, विकास. एखादी गोष्ट कशी वाढत गेली, दॅट इज कॉल्ड ग्रोथ. ओरिजिन, एखादी गोष्ट कुठून उगम पावली, दॅट इज ओरिजिन. So let us see how short story is originated, how short story has grown day to day, means from what we call ancient or from past to present. Let us see. So short story has found in Egypt. Egypt is the name of the country. Egypt, what we call, in 3000 BC. BC means before Christ. Okay. सो 3000 वर्षाच्या पूर्वी इजिप्तमध्ये शॉर्ट स्टोरी ही आपल्याला सापडली असं म्हणूया, तिचा उगम झाला असं म्हणूया. Or some of the examples are there, like parables of Bible are also the other early examples in this short story. Bible, as far as Bible is concerned, you all know this name. In Bible, there are stories, short stories, and they are called parable. Parable are called Danta Katha, myth. Okay. जसं की आपल्याकडे आपली आजी आजोबा आपल्याला कथा कथा सांगायची, रामायणाच्या महाभारताच्या छोट्या छोट्या कथा. They are also called parable. So these are highlighted, these are written in Bible, and that can be called the origin, that can be called the early examples of short story. Another thing is that you should keep in your mind, that is short story gave or gives moral lessons to the reader. Like let us focus on the third point over here. Moral lessons are given to the reader by short story. So author writes the story as um, reader should get the morality. Reader should get the some of the things where from which one can learn some of them. So Sanskrit collection in India, if we talk about India, we have Panchatantra, we have Vikram and Betal, we have so many short stories that maybe you learned from your grandparents, maybe you learned from your teachers. So Panchatantra is one of the very famous collection of books from India, which was written in Sanskrit, and it is also one of the earliest examples in India. If you talk about ही झाली इंडियाची गोष्ट, पण जर आपण ईस्ट बद्दल बोललो, ईस्टर्न कंट्रीज, सो अरेबिक कलेक्शन इज देअर. द नेम ऑफ द कलेक्शन इज 1001 Night. Okay, 1001 Night, that is the name of the collection, which was written in 8th century. 8व्या शतकात ही बुक लिहिली गेली. And another very famous book, maybe you heard the name, maybe you saw so many watched so many serials on it, that is Book of Sindbad. सिंदबाद जहाजी नावाची एक टीव्ही सिरियल यायची. अलिफ लैला नावाची एक टीव्ही सिरियल यायची बघा. सो दे आर ऑल्सो शॉर्ट स्टोरीज, माय फ्रेंड्स, अँड दीज आर रिटन इन 10th century. 10व्या शतकात ह्या लिहिल्या गेल्या. बाद में फोकस करेंगे वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज. सो इन वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज, देयर वाज अ बुक कॉल्ड डेकामेरॉन, where 100 tells, 100 here, tell means short story. Okay, tell means also story. So where 100 tales were written by the writer called Boccaccio, and you know this name. Please try to note down all these points, because these are very important as far as your exam is concerned. The next one is the Canterbury Tales, where 24 stories are written by Geoffrey Chaucer, and Geoffrey Chaucer is very famous poet actually from England, and Geoffrey Chaucer is called father of English poetry. You know very well. So Canterbury Tales, some of the Canterbury Tales also Canterbury and Canterbury two pronouns, but we will call it Canterbury Tales, and where 24 stories are written in this book. So this can be called the some of the epitome of origin. Let us focus on the next slide. I hope you are getting me. If there is any query, you can ask me in a comment box or okay. Let us focus on again. So parable of Bible are also it was done. It was done. Just a minute. Okay. This is the duplicate slide actually. Let me delete it. So what we have learnt in this lecture, let us summarize it. So पहले हमने जाना कि what is short story. So short story क्या है? Short story है, as the name is defined, short and story, the combination of two words which one can call short and story. Story है कि जो short है वो है short story. अभी इसमें क्या है? तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज द सिंगल सिंगल इंसिडेंट है, एक ही इंसिडेंट पर चलती है, एक इंसिडेंट को लेकर चलती है, दो तीन चार पांच ऐसे इंसिडेंट नहीं रहेंगे. इंसिडेंट म्हणजे घटना. कीप इन माइंड. एक कैरेक्टर रहेगा, हीरो रहेगा, बाकी माइनर कैरेक्टर्स रहेंगे और वेरी फ्यू कैरेक्टर्स विल बी देयर. या फिर एक आदमी रहेगा वो खुद की स्टोरी बताएगा, दैट कैन बी कॉल आल्सो शॉर्ट स्टोरी. एक इफेक्ट को एक इंप्रेशन को लेकर ये चलेगी. नेक्स्ट शॉर्ट रहेगी, एक सिटिंग में हम इसे पढ़ पाएंगे. बहुत ज़्यादा वर्ड में पढ़ते हैं लोग, 500 से 15,000 तक वर्ड की लेंथ रहेगी, बिगिनिंग मिडल और एंड ऐसे चीज़ें रहेगी यहाँ पे. These are actually characteristics one can call, and this is about origin. So if you have any query regarding your short story, regarding this origin, regarding definition, you can ask me in a comment box, or you can ask me in our WhatsApp group also. With this we stop here. We will meet again in the next lecture with characteristics of short story.